Sadar from All India Baitul Imdad Charitable Trust. Today is 17th December 2020. As you can see, All India Baitul Imdad Charitable Trust team is distributing free drinking water to the patient attenders here at Nilofer Children's Hospital. And today it has completed its 2 years of its service, and under the supervision of Janab Haji Abdul Aziz Sahab Matliwala. And daily we are distributing around 1000 liters of water, sometimes 2000, depends on requirement. We are really very thankful to our donors, Janab Haji Abdul Aziz Sahab Matliwala and Janab Yusuf Sahab Minarwala, Janab Munaf Sahab, for their generous contributions. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
साद बिन उबादा रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु कहते हैं कि मैंने अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से अर्ज़ किया, ऐ अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, कौन सा सदका अफजल है? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, पानी पिलाना। इब्न माजा हदीस नंबर 3684।